Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Today, we introduce the AI Pricing Optimizer. This powerful tool tracks your competitors, tests prices, and maximizes your profits on autopilot. Let's face it, many digital sellers neglect dynamic pricing. They set prices once and forget them. But the AI Pricing Optimizer changes that, working while you sleep. Imagine waking up to increased revenue without lifting a finger. First, let's dive into price elasticity. Digital goods have negligible costs. Small price changes can have a significant impact on conversion rates. Shoppers often rely on price to determine quality. So, it's essential to adjust your pricing in real time. Next, we need a monitoring stack. Consider signing up for Reprice R Express for Amazon or Everbee for Etsy. Today, we'll use the Appify scraper combined with Google Apps script, guided by GPT-4. Start by creating an Appify account. Search for the Etsy scraper and copy the quick start instructions. Input your competitors' shop URLs to gather crucial data. Now, let's transition to Google Sheets. Open a new sheet called Pricing Bot. Here, we'll write a script that compares your prices to your competitors. It fetches data via APIs and recommends pricing changes based on that information. It's time to secure Etsy API keys. Create an app in the Etsy developer portal called Pricing Optimizer. Make sure it has the necessary permissions. Paste the keys into your script for smooth integration. Let's test the script on a single product, like your gluten-free meal planner bundle. Set your floor and ceiling prices. Run the script and watch as it adjusts your price according to competitor activity. Don't forget A/B testing. Duplicate each listing to test different prices. The script will alternate between the original and test prices every 48 hours. After 2 weeks, promote the winner and remove the loser. To stay informed, integrate Slack. Create a webhook for pricing alerts. Now, whenever a price changes, you'll receive a notification without checking your dashboard constantly. Next, consider seasonality. Add a seasonal multiplier to your Google Sheet to adjust prices in correlation with demand spikes, especially during holidays. If you're on Gumroad and lack a public API, manually check suggested price changes and adjust as necessary. As your revenue grows, automate this with a Zapier workflow. Enhance the AI's suggestions by adding context. Rate your product's perceived value so GPT understands how to price each item effectively. Avoid sudden price fluctuations. Set minimum days between changes to protect your listings from algorithm scrutiny and shopper confusion. Document all your pricing moves in a separate sheet. Track old and new prices, sales before and after, and profit changes. Use this data to visualize trends over time. To elevate your strategy, connect your sheet to Google Data Studio. Build a dashboard to visualize your pricing strategies and revenue trends. Think about expanding to multiple platforms. Use the same pricing logic on Amazon KDP or Shopify. Streamline your adjustments across all listings in one master sheet. Finally, protect your brand. If the optimizer suggests a price below your set floor, tag that row for manual review. You decide how to maintain your brand's perceived value. Imagine the compounding benefits. With just a small adjustment in pricing, you could unlock significant extra revenues. Now, here's your actionable list. Sign up for Appify, set your Etsy scraper, and get your Google Sheet ready with the app's script. Test your setup on one listing tomorrow, and analyze the results next week. If you're ready to boost your profits today, hit like and comment, Price Optimized. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. In our next video, we'll explore how to license your artwork for passive income. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.